What's going on YouTube? Earth Power here, very early in the morning for top 8 of IDC 34 group stage. And I am in the same group as CVH, and guess what? We're paired for round 1 of 3 in the top 8 of groups. So, here we go. Alright, we're gonna do the thing. So, 13. And we won the die roll, which is just everything we need right now. Got to win a lot of die rolls, I think, to stand a decent chance at making sure this shit happens. Oh man. Alright. That's way too early. This card is, unfortunately, I want to hold it. Ganta off the top is going to be annoying if it happens. So fingers crossed. I mean, we just can't put a blue down early, right? Need to see another fire for Snip Striker, and that's really it. I think we're just gonna miss our 2. And that's just gonna have to be how it goes. If I see a fire card, great. But Ancient Horn's a little too valuable, I think, for how I need to beat his deck. So that's where we're at. Alright, found fire. Got lucky. Go ahead and charge that. Tap 2. Play Snip Striker and end. So we found a 2-drop. Let's see if he has the Belix. If he doesn't have Belix, I'm feeling very good. Holkus is going to keep my hand alive for potential Ancient Horn shenanigans here in the next couple of turns. He has the Belix, so is what it is. Draw. That one's interesting, right? I think we're going to go ahead and play the Holkus and swing with the Snip Striker. I think that might be a little better right now. Play some off-the-wall stuff. I guess, I mean, I don't know. Group stage is weird, right? Because I don't... I need to... Copper Lucas is very good. Copper Lucas is very, very good. Minus hitting Terror Pit. But, is what it is. Let's put this down for now. Let's tap. Let's draw. Let's tap here. We will let this Hulkus see if it can go the distance. Yeah. I might be overvaluing Ancient Horn, but I think if I can make it to 5, I think I end up going wider than he can deal with, especially depending on what his 3-drop is here. If his 3-drop is Pala, Copper Lucas was the obvious choice. If he doesn't have Pala, I'm just fine. He has Pala, yeah. Alright, that's fine. So here we go. Alright, that card's an answer for later. Interesting plays, right? I can set up another Holkus. Really need Bronze Arm Tribe. Bronze Arm Tribe was the card that would have been better than Holkus last turn. Oh, the plays are tough. The plays are tough. I don't think we ever get here with Ancient Horn, so let's go ahead and charge you. Tap. Play. And if he has Snare, he has Snare. It's annoying, but basically staves him off a turn. and we can try to find Bronze Arm Tribe into Holkus. Energy stream. Alright, just gonna draw a bunch. Draw. Alright. That's kind of tough, right? Because we would love to have one more mana right now and just be going into Jagalzor. Unfortunately, we're not there yet. So, I think we play the Gawk Life down in mana. We Holgus, we try to find swap. If we can, great. If not, whatever. We're just going to play Jagalzor next turn. So, go ahead and charge. Tap. Untap. Tap 2. Oh, man. If I draw the Spiral Gate, I'm in a great spot. If I draw anything else, I'm not. Let's go with this. So he's at 5 mana. I think worst case scenario is bounce if he has it, like Spiral Gate Snare. 2 blockers is annoying. We need to find swap if it's 2 blockers. If it's another Pala, I'm just kind of up a creek, right? So we'll see. We'll see what he's got. We'll see what he's got. This will be fun to watch back and hear his thoughts, because we don't really get to do this too often, just with channel stuff, right? My live thoughts on how the match is going versus his without actually being in front of each other. How about it? Interesting play. Don't break. Alright. So this card doesn't do much for me anymore. Play the Jagalzor. Up here. Tap there. Tap. So. Alright, game 2. Here we go. This hand is interesting. Seeing a lot of blue. A lot of blue early. But winning game 1 is ideal. That's how we have to go against this deck. He had Pal and Petrova, but no extra blockers, so fortunately I'm good to go. Alright. CVH is on the go first. Mana 1's always tough, right? So, see where we're at. Giga down, alright. Charge Gawk Life. Alright, I'm seeing Gawk Life, that's good. Fortunately, it didn't do much last match. Couldn't have done much last match. Could have dealt with Petrova, which would have been cool, but it is what it is. And B-Legs. Alright. Alright. I could go ahead and just bounce the Belix and force the replay. I think that might actually be correct. Instead of just letting him stick with the blocker. I'm never going to be able to, like, I say never. Here in the next couple of turns, I'm not going to be able to deal with multiple threats at the same turn. So I think we'll go ahead and charge you. Tap 2. Play Spiral Gate. Go ahead and put it back and see if I can force Belix to be annoying. Let's let it be annoying for him. At Bronze Arm Crab would love to find another nature mana. I really want to hold on to this swap this game. Yep. Alright, cool. Got it. And we found other nature. Unfortunately, it's just not the nature we want. So we do have to do this. Tap 3. Play Bronze Arm Tribe. Alright. So based on the draw next turn, we can either go Holkus Ganta or just tap Syrian Wave. And it looks like it's going to be Holkus Ganta. Yeah. So go ahead and charge. Tap, tap, tap. Play Holkus, draw a card. Tap, tap. Play Ganta. Enter. Alright, 5 mana, Searing Wave on lock. If he plays Dirtily blockers, should be good. If there's a Pala, then we're in a bad spot. Not a terrible spot, just not great. Really don't want to use Searing Wave just on one Pala, but we have to, we have to. Okay, it's Mystery Ops. Perfect. Draw. Alright, so Bronze Arm Tribe can go down here. I don't know that it necessarily needs to. Gawk Life is my only other... I say that. I should put this down. Putting it down lets me go into Twin if I top it. Otherwise, I don't have to play mana if he has discard. So, go ahead and charge. Go ahead and tap. 5. Play you. As the Twin. And we start swinging. Shield triggers is great. And yeah, we feel good. That was a great Syrian Wave. Perfect turn for it. And yeah, we're feeling good at the moment. Ice Favor's not going to do much. That's unfortunate. Pala. And Snare. Alright. Draw. Tap 5. That was what a great top deck. This is just unfair for Christian. Tap. Untap. Tap. Play. Yeah, this is bad. This is not great for him. I think we beat him. I think we got really lucky off the top there. I don't know that the Ancient Horn was necessary, but all right, that's the game, guys. Beat Christian 2-0 in the first match of group stages, and yeah, we are off to face the winner between X-Boom and Spalding. So fingers crossed Spalding beats X-Boom, because I would love to go 2-0 and just have this top 8 on lock, so we can make top 4 and just move on with our day. So yeah, guys, until next time, peach.